tents at Overall.
Okay. Well, guys, this is. I am Dave with the station at 19E, and we are in front of the Trail Magic From Your Desk board. The blue names are people that have purchased bunks, beers, food, or just a dollar amount for random hikers. So the website's www.trailmagicdesk.com. You can purchase any of those items for a ran-through hiker. When the hiker comes in, I'll take their picture with their happy food or beer item and send it to you, the purchaser, and we'll even give them their email address. They may send you a thank you when they come through. So the green letters are hikers that have come in. Some hikers, if they take the website trailmagicdesk.com, send it out to grandma or family. So if you're a hiker, send that website out. Example here, Gnarly from Family and Friends got $135. Another one $105. So you could get everything paid for here. Or if you like Hawk, he has $1,200 that comes in and pays for everybody. So that's the best idea I think I've ever had business-wise.
Yeah, it was really good.
Yeah, so this board, we only had 311 last year, but we want to make up for it this year and fill the entire board.
All right, guys, let's fill the board. I'll put the website in the description.
Cool.
And then people can go on and purchase something for a hiker. It's a great way to do trail magic.
Every hiker gets an item this year. That's the
Search for love, all the same old place.
All right, and here I am at the station at 19E. It's a really cool hostel. I've been here all day. So this morning I only had to hike 7 miles to get here, so that's pretty nice. But last night in the tent, camped on top of that bald, it was really cold, really windy, and I didn't get much sleep at all because mostly of the noise of the wind on the Z-Packs tent was just a lot. And I was really excited from hiking at 26 miles, so it took me a long time to fall asleep in the first place. But the weather was just crazy, waking up with ice on my tent and snow and wind. Just packed up really quick and started hiking those 7 miles. So I got here really early in the day, probably like 10 o'clock. Downstairs of the hostel is a pub with like a game room, a resupply store. Got a lot of chicken fingers and mozzarella sticks, got mac and cheese, beer, all the food. So that was really good. Spent the majority of the day down there. Also did a quick resupply at Dollar General, got a lot of food for probably 3 days until I get to Damascus, so that's good. And then the night ended with a little bit of a live performance, which was really fun, but I am running off of no sleep if you can't tell, and I can't wait to go to bed right now. So thanks for watching, see you guys in the next video.